Namaste guys, I'm Siddesh Gururaj and you're watching Incredible India with Sid. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification button. In the summer of 2012, the leaders of the most important countries made consecutive visits that were considered suspicious in Afghanistan, at short intervals, one from another within a week. Barack Obama, David Cameron, Nicolas Sarkozy, who was then the president of France, and Angela Merkel. At that time, Nicolas Sarkozy was already in India when he left suddenly to Afghanistan. The following question was naturally asked: why all this suspicious rush of all great world's political personalities towards Afghanistan? The reason was an ancient flying machine, approximately 5000 to 7000 years old, called Vimana in the Indian ancient writing, was found in one of the caves of the complicated mountain chain from Afghanistan. The writings in Mahabharata from the Indian tradition made numerous references to this flying machine. So, how did all this started? A group of soldiers was sent on a secret mission from the US to Afghanistan, where they made an astounding discovery which was none other than an ancient Vimana. A Vimana is an ancient flying machine described in ancient Indian scripts and was used in wars as well as used for travel. So when the 8 soldiers went inside to extract it, it suddenly disappeared. This is because it is said to be protected by a strange energy barrier that is preventing troops from extracting the Vimana. The shocking element that was kept a secret was that the certain Vimana seemed to be caught in a strange temporal loop, and the 8 American militaries suddenly got lost in time well. The time well is an electromagnetic radiation gravity field, first postulated by Albert Einstein as the unified field theory. Vimana is a Sanskrit word for flying machines, temples, planes, etc. This all showed that it was indeed Indians who first invented aeroplanes and many other kinds of flying machines. The science of making this machine and all the instructions on how to fly it was written thousands of years ago by the great Maharishi Bharadwaj. This book is considered as the first book of aeronautics. When some lost pages of the book were found and translated from Sanskrit, an astounding discovery was made. It contained instructions on how to build spaceships too. This means that the olden technology of India was highly advanced and is way more advanced than the technology today. The scientists have already proven this, and there are rumors of US scientists working on a secret mission building flying machines following the instructions of this book. Maharishi Bharadwaj's book has A to Z information about flying machines, the physics behind it, everything a common man could imagine of, and much more information which still cannot be cracked. There are scientific ways to make Vimana invisible, camouflage, get to know what all is happening in other planes. The most astounding fact found out was that they used cameras to monitor what was happening in the surroundings. Just imagine, thousands of years before, when there was no electricity, metals, and were just being discovered, people were just learning how to build ships, buildings, etc. We were so advanced that we already had a camera which works in the same way as any of today's high-tech cameras. But you all would ask, if we know the way how to become invisible, how to teleport, etc., then why have we not used it still? The answer is that the type of instruments they used for harnessing the powers of the energy around them is not available with us at the moment. This is all like a science explanation of sci-fi movies, with the exception that they are movies, but it was already known to Indians thousands of years before. And also many kinds of herbs and material they used is not known to humans today, and also they may or may not exist nowadays. Here are some planes and its models as depicted in the book. And when you see it at the first glance, you may think that this is not obeying the laws of physics as well as the laws of aerodynamics, but you would be shocked to know that they use the flying machines with anti-gravity methods. The Science of Aeronautics written by Maharishi Bharadwaj has 6 chapters and their subdivisions, and there are 4 types of flying machines written in this book. They are namely Shakuna Vimana, Sundara Vimana, Rukma Vimana, and Tripura Vimana. Now, just a brief look at the summary of the book. In the first chapter, it is given that a pilot is eligible to fly the flying machine only if he knows the 32 secrets given in the book, which includes the way to camouflage, become invisible, and much more. According to the book, these are the ways to camouflage and to become invisible. The 6th secret, Drishya, camouflage. By the collision of electric power and wind power in the atmosphere, a glow is created whose reflection is to be caught in the Vishwakriya Darpana or mirror at the front of the Vimana, and by its manipulation produce a Maya Vimana or camouflaged Vimana. To become invisible, it is more difficult. The seventh secret, Adrishya. According to Shakti Tantra, by the means of Vainartha Vikarna and other powers in the heart center of the solar mass, attract the force of the ethereal flow in the sky and mingle it with the Balaha Vikarana Shakti in the aerial globe, producing thereby a white cover which will make the Vimana invisible. Now you guys may be thinking, what is this Bala Vikarana or ethereal flow, etc.? It is something which we still don't know, and the scientists are yet to crack this code. And this is the main reason we cannot do any of the things mentioned above. And we are still years behind to understand these words, phrases, machines. Now, there was one more interesting secret given in the book which I wanted to share with you all. This is a clip from a Marvel movie, and as you can see how this aircraft with the help of camera matches itself with the sky so that no one can notice it. This may be a fiction movie, but this secret is also mentioned in this book. 29th secret, Akashakara. According to Akasha Tantra, by mixing black mica solution with neem and Bhunaga decoction and smearing the solution on the outer body of the Vimana made of mica plates and exposing to solar rays, the plane will look like the sky and become indistinguishable. Now, as you can see, almost everything given in this step is found today, and maybe this could have been successfully tried, but due to one element this has become impossible, the Bhunaga decoction. This type of plant exists nowhere in today, time, and maybe we may never find it again. So these are all the main reasons due to which trying to replicate these things doesn't seem possible in the coming future. If I go on explaining the whole book, it may take a very long time. So I have given a link of the English translated version of the book in the description so that you guys can read and understand the reality, truth about the book, and also the fact that ancient Indian technologies were far better than those of today's. Hope you all like this video. Share this video with all your friends, relatives, so that each and every person on this planet can get to know the greatness of India and its ancient technology. Dhanyavad.